Let's learn how you can recover deleted Telegram messages. So before we start the tutorial, I will have to say you that you can't recover messages if you don't have them backed up or saved on your iCloud drive or Google Drive or any drive you are using. Because if you go here, you can see that there is no option for restore messages on Telegram application, and the only way is to go on settings and click on your iCloud Apple account. Then you will have to find this iCloud option and check drive. Make sure it's turned on green and have synced this iPhone. What else? You can just click on save to the cloud and make sure to find Telegram application. If you have this enabled, this option, that means Telegram will stay and will back up all their messages and everything with Telegram to this iPhone. If you didn't have this enabled until now, that means you will not have saved chats on your drive. So make sure you change it now, and the next time you delete or reinstall Telegram or switch up to new phone and then download Telegram, with your iCloud you can restore everything on Telegram, including messages, photos, and etc. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.